Vancouver Island is located off the west coast of British Columbia. It has an area of around 31,000 square kilometers and a population of over 800,000. On the east coast of Vancouver Island, we find Campbell River. It is a city with a population of over 35,000 people. It is famous for fishing, often referred to as the salmon capital of the world. As with the rest of the island, it is surrounded by nature and wildlife. Today we will be meeting a few of the Keystone species that live in the Campbell River area. Keystone species greatly affect the ecosystem in which they live and perform important roles that would not be accomplished by another organism. Keystone species can be animals, plants, vertebrates, or invertebrates. If a keystone species is removed, the ecosystem will change and may fail. Elk Falls Provincial Park and Protected Area is located about 2 kilometers west of Campbell River, BC. It is over 1,000 hectares, consisting of tree-covered hills, low-lying basins, rivers, canyon, waterfalls. It provides habitat for many species of mammals, birds, fish, trees, and other plants. Here we will find old-growth Douglas firs. Old-growth Douglas firs are rare and endangered. Old-growth forests have been mostly destroyed by the logging industry. The old-growth Douglas fir is an important keystone species that provides homes for many animals, including red squirrels, 10 species of bats, several species of birds, 400 insects, 100 of which only live in these old-growth forests. Every fall, Pacific salmon return from the ocean to the Keystone River to spawn. They will lay their eggs and then die. Salmon are considered keystone species as they provide a source of food for many aquatic and terrestrial animals, including carnivores, small mammals, amphibians, insects, and birds. Just on the other side of the Keystone River, we see a bald eagle. She is feeding on one of the salmon. Bald eagles are also a keystone species. They are one of the main predators of fish and are also scavengers. We hike along the Beaver Pond Trail, located at the Keystone Campground in Elk Falls Provincial Park. We do not see any beavers. We do, however, see what appears to be a dam. We are unable to get close enough to know for sure. Beavers are a very important keystone species. The dams they build block off streams and consequently create wetland habitat, which are important for many other animals and plants. We come to the Oyster Bay Shoreline Park, located just outside of Campbell River. Here we see a blue heron. Like the eagle, blue herons are keystone predators. Blue herons are found throughout Canada and the United States. They occupy habitats such as estuaries, lakes, rivers, and marshes, where they can find an abundance of food. They feed on small fish, crayfish, crabs, small reptiles and amphibians, and insects. They ensure that the populations of their prey stay in a healthy balance. We walk along the beach, searching for purple starfish. Years ago, they were very easy to find. Now, we don't even see one. Starfish are a keystone species because they feed on mussels and keep their populations under control. This prevents other species from dying out due to competition. Our search for starfish brings us to the Discovery Harbor Marina, where starfish are known to cling to the pillars securing the docks. Again, we are unsuccessful in our search. What happened to all the starfish? Currently, they are facing a major threat called sea star wasting disease, which was first noticed in 2013. Scientists are not positive as to what is causing the disease. The symptoms include lesions in the ectoderm, tissue decay, and fragmentation or death. Keystone species are an important part of an ecosystem as they contribute to its biodiversity, productivity, and overall function. Because they are so beneficial, it is vital that we learn about them so that we may understand and protect them. Keystone species are found all over the world and on every continent in every country. They may even be found in your hometown or in your own backyard. Today we have been introduced to a few of the keystone species found around the city of Campbell River. Old-growth Douglas firs, Pacific salmon, bald eagles, blue herons, beavers, and sea stars are all vital to the ecosystems within and surrounding this beautiful city.